Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. I was hoping I could talk about something different later today, right? But nothing changed. It was a very slow day. Yeah, a very slow day. I start to think we could be working on a triangle. Anyway, it still makes a very, very corrective impression. It is certainly a situation in which price is consolidating below resistance. Yeah, 26,180 is the ideal target for this fourth wave. We talked about that. We also talked about all this historical volume, which is sort of just below that level. Yeah, this point of control on the volume profile, very useful. Very useful. Told us basically where price could get rejected here. Yeah, around that 38.2 fib level, actually just below that. I would have thought it might get, I might touch it, it might touch it, it might still do that. But anyway, the situation is unchanged. Still watching primarily for another low. I have sketched out on this chart in white how the direct pathway to the downside would look like. But I would really need a break below today's low to confirm that further. And obviously, best confirmation will be a break below that third wave low at 25,310. And until then, we just need to be patient, right? These corrections, they can change a lot. They can always morph and transform. I'm tracking it as a WXY structure. Could also now be just an ABC. Doesn't matter, really. It could turn into a triangle even. It's a bit too early to talk about that. If price now forms a lower high and then comes down correctively, then this could highlight, okay, we are moving actually in a triangle, which wouldn't be great because it would just be even more boring. And then with the triangle, it's always the question, okay, do we break down or do we break to the upside? And then it takes us back to the simple principle that we don't really need to worry about it because it's the market that's going to decide it anyway. What we can do, however, is to identify the relevant pivot points where scenarios change, and that is 26,450. So as long as the price stays below that level, we are in this wave count in a wave 4, or well, already in a wave 5. But for a wave 5, it doesn't show enough momentum in my opinion. But anyway, the idea is one more low as long as we stay below 26,450, which means it can move around between the current price and 26,450. It can do what it wants. And this is just normal choppy behavior. You can't predict every single sub-wave structure in a correction. It just doesn't work. Just because they change all the time, especially in crypto, you have the added difficulty that cryptos often like to do WXY structures. Then you have to understand that corrections are very messy anyway. So it's just to understand the pivot point, which is at 26,450. A break above that level would potentially unlock prices all the way up to 29K, because then I would assume that, or at least consider that a higher B wave is playing out. So the idea is that either this B wave topped already and we're coming down, yeah? Or if the price doesn't fulfill 5 waves down, then this B wave is probably still in the making. But I would only consider that if we get a break above 26,450. So yeah, unfortunately, there isn't much more to talk about. Just a quick update, and hopefully tomorrow we see a little bit of action, maybe around the daily candle close. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to our weekly live stream. You get access to our Discord and Telegram chat rooms. You get access to all our TradingView live charts. And as a gold member, to additional market updates. And for everybody, we have a lot of educational content about Elliott Wave, trading, psychology, mindset, and much more. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram and X, formerly Twitter. And yeah, see you there. Bye-bye.